Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RCwithJakhar. Today I will guide you through the basic setup and menu walkthrough of our FlySky FS-i6X transmitter. If you are new to the transmitter and RC hobbies, this video will help you understand the essential functions of our FlySky FS-i6. So let's start it. So first of all we will power it on. It's the power button, just slide it up, it will start. As in the previous video, we have bind our receiver with our transmitter, so it is connected now and it shows the RX battery and TX batteries and also signal strength as it is full. So press and hold OK. It will show us the menu. We have two menus: system setup. In the system we will select model, press OK. If we try to select a model, we have to turn off the receiver. So I will power off the receiver simply and press OK. It will show us that we have 20 models. We can select any one of them. If we want to rename our model, we can select here model name and press OK. And now here from up and down keys we can simply edit the name. So let's go back to the menu by using cancel button. Next we go back and assign switches, system setup, and down here we have auxiliary switches, aux switches. Press OK. Switch A, switch B, C, D, variable A or variable B. So first of all we will on all the switches. Down key, it's on. Now press OK. It will shift to other. Press down. OK. OK. Next. OK. Next. In the default setting we have only 6 channels. In the FlySky FS-i6 we have 10 channels, so we can update all the 10 channels and press and hold cancel. It will save. Go back to the settings and check if it is on. Yes, it's on. Okay, go back. In the setup we will assign switches. Aux channel, come here, channel 5 we will switch to switch A. Okay, channel 6 to switch B, channel 7 to switch C, and channel 8 to switch D. Whichever you like. I prefer is in this like way: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever you like. Press and hold cancel. So next we will assign switches. Press OK. Down, come to the assign switches. Fly mode, I will prefer switch B. Idle mode, I will not select any. Threshold, it is very important when you are flying a quad or a plane and suddenly you want to hold your throttle or disarm your quad, so simply just use button any switches. I will prefer switch A. So press down key, switch A, and now if I press it's on, now it's off. For saving, press and hold cancel. Once again I will go in the menu and it's safe. Go back.